There's a video I wanted to make today. It's about cruise control on a motorcycle. And if you don't know what one is, or you've never used one, you might want to consider it. This little device right here is called a Vista Cruise, and this thing has a little clamp on it. And what it does is when you clamp it down, it actually grabs your throttle. And it's braced down here on your cables so it doesn't move. So if you want to grip your throttle and click that down, it holds your throttle. So when you're riding, you can actually let go. Now, why do you want to let go? Because you want to relax your arm. So you can release it by going like that, it'll let off. You may be asking, what if it gets stuck? Well, when this is on, there is no gear. It just binds it. It's just a round on round, so you can override it. So I can turn it off like that, and you'll see it's already in the rested position. So if you have it on and you're going down the highway and it's not in the perfect spot, if you have it tight enough, you can roll it back, put it on a little bit more, or a little bit less, and then it just naturally clicks off. So when you're riding, actually be like riding, click it on, you can let it off. I just hit it with my thumb to release it. So if you're heading down the highway and you want to relax your arm, I'm sure you've been there. You've been down the road. You've seen it a million times. You let off the gas. You see the guy shake his arms. Oh my God, my arm is tired. My arm is tired. Back on the gas. Back on the gas. Oh my God, let me rest my arm. Let me rest my arm. You know, you can literally use this thing around town. 35 miles an hour, just set it. So there are a ton of different cruise controls on the market, and you can buy several different types, the kind that clamp on and then rest on your front brake. The whole moral of the story is I bought my first cruise control when I was 16 years old, and I've had one 30 plus years now. My whole riding career, on every bike I've ever owned, I will not ride without a cruise control. It's too much fun, and it's too comfortable. You can sit up and relax. You can lean back. If you have a backpack, you can rest on it. If you're on a crotch rocket, you don't always have to be hunched over. You can actually sit up and peek through your mirrors. I'll show you a little video clip I'm gonna add in here before I end the video, and you won't really be able to hear anything because I'm on the highway. I just wanted to pull it out and show you how I use it on the highway. And you can leave it full throttle and hook it, and you can let it go. You'll see me do it on the freeway. It's fun to play around with, and it's just a great little item to have on your motorcycle, I promise you. Whether you like to go fast, slow, street bike racer, super motard racer, Harley rider, BMW rider, it does not matter what kind of bike you have, what you ride, whether you go slow or fast, whether you're on a cruiser or a moped, it just doesn't matter. If you want to relax while you're riding, trust me, get one of these. They don't cost that much money, and you're gonna love it. So watch the clip at the end of the video. You'll see me out there riding around, and it's totally relaxing. You can just steer around like riding a bicycle with no hands. You're gonna love it. So take my word for it. Please trust me on this. Get yourself a cruise control and get out there and ride. And I'm just gonna fire this up and give you a little demonstration on what it does. You saw how that works. You just go down the highway, you click it on, it holds your tip. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, like I said. Hopefully you enjoyed the tip, and we'll see you on the next one.